Hi trombone players, this is your practice video number 3. In this video we're going to be learning how to buzz on our mouthpiece 2 new songs. Starlight Starbright is our second one and Rain Rain Go Away is our first one. To review, let's go ahead and sit up nice and tall, feet flat on the floor. Take a deep breath in and breathe it out. Ready. Shoulders stay down. Ready. Last time. Let's throw 4 darts. We're going to breathe in and blow it straight out. Ready. Nice job. You should have your mouthpiece nearby and your mirror to check and make sure that you are not puffing out your cheeks while you're playing. Make sure you're always checking in your mirror. We're going to breathe in, play for 4 beats, rest for 4 beats, and play for 4 beats. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Last time, ready. 1. All right, nice job. Now, do you remember how we tongue with tip of your tongue? Say that, tip of my tongue. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. 2 2 2. 2 2 2. Okay? Let's do that with our mouthpiece. Breathe in, play for 4 tas, rest for 4. Always checking in your mirror. I'm not going to use my mirror right now because I'm going to hold up my fingers. 1, 2, 3. Last one, ready. Good job. All right, so the 2 songs we're going to learn tonight of the first one is Rain, Rain, Go Away. So I'm going to sing it first for you so you can get an idea of the song in your head. Ready. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. So if you noticed, I'm moving my hand, and that is our so and me. Those are the 2 notes we are using in this song. Go ahead and sing that song with me. Ready, go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Okay, now with our mouthpieces, we're going to do that song. The first note was so. Sing that for me. So. Now I'm going to play it on my mouthpiece so you can hear how that sounds. Your turn to play it with me. Ready. Try again. Ready. The second note was lower, so we have a little bit more open space in our mouth, and it's warm air. I blow against my hand. It feels warm blowing against my hand. Listen. So, me. Sing me. Ready. Me. Play it with me. Ready. Try that again. Here's me. Ready. Now sing so mi. Sing it. Go. So mi. Try playing that. Ready. Each time we start a note, we tongue it. So I'm going ta, ta. Ready? Again. I'm going to play something and then you play it back to me. Listen. Your turn. Ready. My turn. Ready. Your turn. Ready. My turn. Ready. Your turn. Ready. Check yourself. Are you tonguing to start each note or are you going? Let's do that again. Listen. Your turn. Ready. I'm going to play the whole song. I want you to listen if you feel like you don't really know what the song sounds like, or if you feel like you have a good grasp on it, you can play along with me. Here we go. Ready. Let's do that again. Everybody's playing this time. Ready? Check yourself. Are you sitting up tall? Are you using your tongue to start every single note? Let's do the whole song again. Ready? Okay, good job. So that song was Rain, Rain, Go Away. The next song is Starlight Starbright, and it uses the same notes that we used in Rain, Rain, Go Away. So listen to how the song sounds. Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might. Wish the wish I wish tonight. Sing that with me. Ready, go. Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might. Wish the wish I wish tonight. Let's go ahead and play so on our mouthpiece. Ready? Now play me. Ready? Now play so and me. Ready, go. I play, then you play. Me first. Your turn. Ready, go. My turn. Ready, go. 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 Your turn. Ready. My turn. Ready, go. Your turn. Ready, go. Okay, so now we should be able to play through the whole song. If you want to just listen the first time through, you can. If you feel like you can play along, play along. Here you go, whole song. Ready. All together, here we go. If you were listening, join us. Ready. Check yourself. Are you sitting up tall? Are you using a taw tongue to start every note? Let's do that again, really focusing on using our taw tongue. Ready. One more time. Let's do it. Ready, go. I want you to make sure that you practice along with this video a few more times before you try to play it on your instrument. Great work, guys. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.